Okay, for number 1, it says find and label each pair of points in the coordinate plane and find the length of the line segment connecting the points. So for number 1, you look at F is 1, 0. So F is over 1, up 0, so that would put you right there. G is over 6, up 0, so that would put you right there. So your line goes like that. And you just count the boxes. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer for number 1 is 5. Okay? Take a look at number 2. You're doing the same. Number 2, you've got J is 3, 1, so you go over 3, up 1, so you're right there. K is 3, 3, so you go over 3, up 3. Then you count. 1, 2. So for number 2, your answer is 2. Move on to 3. Number 3, you're doing the same thing. W is 5, 2. So W would be right here. 5, 2. Over 5, up 2. X is over 7, up 2. Then you count. It goes over 1, 2. So for number 3, your answer is 2. So number 4, you're not being asked to count anything. It just says draw the polygon with given vertices in the coordinate plane. So the vertices are the points they give you, A, B, and C. They're also corners of shapes. Okay, so for number 4, A is at 2, 5. So you go over 2, up 5. So you're right there. B is 0, 0. Right here in the corner. Over 0, up 0. C is 3, 2. Over 3, up 2. Then all you do is just connect. So you have a triangle. Okay? So number 4, that's all you got to do. 5, you're doing the same thing. 5 says D is at 3, 1, so you go over 3, up 1, so you're right there. E is 2, 1 half, so you go over 2, up 1 half, so that would be right there. Right in the middle of that box, between 0 and 1 would be 1 half. F is at 6, 2, so you go over 6, up 2. Okay, and then you connect your points. So you have this right here, connected to that, that connected to that. So it's a very obtuse triangle. So number 5 is just that right there. Okay. For number 6, you go G is 4, 1, so you go over 4, up 1, so you're right there. H is 9, 1, you go over 9, up 1, so you're right there. J is over 9, up 3. K is over 4, up 3. So you have a rectangle. So that's number 6. For number 7, L is 4, 2.5. So you go over 4, up 2.5. So it'd be right about there. Doesn't have to be exact. Just try your best. M is over 4, up 6. So you're about right there. P is over 7, up 6. So you're about right there. And then N is over 7, up 2.5, so right there. And you have another rectangle. Okay, so that's number 7. So those first 7 are pretty quick problems. 8's when you get more into what we're going to be doing in class, okay? So 8 says find the perimeter in the area of the polygon. So they give you E is 0, 0, so you're right there. F is 7, 0, so be right there. G is 7, 2, so you're right there. H is 0, 2, so you're right there. And you have a rectangle. So you need the length and the width to find the area of a rectangle. So what you have to do is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is 1, 2. So to find the area of this, you would do area is equal to 7 times 2, which gives us 14 units squared. Okay, and if you know there's 2 of each of those sides in the same length, you would do for the perimeter, you would do 7 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2, because there's 2 of each of those sides. And that gives you 18 units for your perimeter. Okay, so that's number 8. Number 9, similar, right? You have P is at 4, 5, so it'll be right there. Q is at 4, 9, so it'll be right there. R is at 8, 9, over 8, up 9. S is over 8, up 5. So you have a square. So for a square, you're doing the same thing. Length times width. So you have to count boxes again. You'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area of this square is 4 times 4, which equals 16 units squared. The perimeter, since you know every side is 4, you're going to get 16 units. So area and perimeter are the same in this case. Okay, so now for number 10, you're doing a word problem. Number 10 says you design a courtyard using coordinate plane. You plot the vertices of the courtyard at F is 1, 0. So F would be right there. G at 5, 8. So G over 5 up 8 would be right there. H is at 1, 8. So you go over 1 up 8 right there. Connect your vertices. And you have a triangle. So the answer to A is just triangle. Okay, for what shape is the courtyard? For part B, it wants the area. So you need to find the 2 sides that cross at that perfect T, or the 2 sides that are perpendicular. So these 2 sides right here are perpendicular because they cross at that perfect T. Then you have to count what each of those sides is equal to. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 for your base, and your height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So for the area, you would just do area equals 8 times 4, which equals 32. And then remember, for triangles, you have to divide by 2. So you get 16 units squared for your answer. Okay? And that's it.